We're live on Instagram, where?
Down. I had it down.
You're on it right now.
You're on it right now? Ooh. Who's on it? What?
Time was good, huh?
Any people on?
Not yet.
Not yet.
What up, Static Accord?
Ooh.
Boom. Yo, yo, yo. What up, people? We're out here bagging this SRT right now. Getting it bagged. Last finishing touches. Yo, yo. We're gonna take it all off.
Just the thing.
We're in midnight right now. Still got 6 hours left. We got the struts in already, aired. We're about to adjust the height before we move on. Shit.
Sexy ass room.
Boom.
Ooh.
We got a new setup coming soon. New set of wheels this year, Flaco. New set of wheels.
Let me know down in the comments.
Yeah, let us know right now. Should Flaco 519 get a new set of wheels?
Or keep them.
Or keep these wheels right now?
How we are.
He'll cash out right now.
Real quick.
Boom. Finishing touches, the last finishing touches. Get them out. The brain of the system. You got the nice, pretty little rack over there. Check it out, though. Check out these struts.
Oh.
Man, look at that. Boom, BC coils on bags. So let me get this shit. Dude, this thing's gonna be slammed as hell when you drop it. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a whole video. We're gonna have videos of everything, you know? We have videos, follow that. Subscribe to Addict_media. We got videos coming in.
Yeah, bro.
We're gonna be here till 6 in the morning. And I'm already getting hungry. Where the peeps at? Yeah. Who's on right now? Write on the comments where you guys from.
Honestly, bro.
For real.
Where's the fam at? Where's the fam?
I know I got a bunch of SRT fam in here.
Got some nice shit going on.
This right here's the night shift right here. Flaco, Cobalt Saiyan. Is the other side on already too?
Huh?
The other side?
I'm gonna get it right now.
Oh. Comment where you guys from. Where you guys watching at? Where you guys viewing this broadcast? What up, babe? Hey, my chick's on this one right now.
Who?
My chick.
Your chick?
Yeah, she's on.
She's supporting the.
She's supporting the page right now, dude.
Ooh,
Shout outs to Loopy V11. Showing that love at midnight. We got the DJ over there. Yo, is this blurry or what? Lupe, is this blurry or does it look good?
Hey, what did we use to? We did use cardboard.
For what? Bay Area, damn. We got one from the Bay Area. Shout outs to Bay Area.
Heck yeah, dude. It's amazing over there.
You Niners fan or what? Shout outs. Static Accord, duh. You guys stay tuned. The video coming soon. Videos coming soon. Got a lot of hot shit coming out. Say what's up, Perucha? What up, Perucha? We got good shit coming out.
Only good shit.
Yeah, addict_media. Subscribe.
God damn it, I lost one of my.
This thing is ready to get slammed already. Who wants to see this car get slammed right now? Who wants to see this shit get slammed right now?
Who wants to break your neck?
If we get 20 viewers, we'll put this on live right now. No, we'll watch this shit live. They could watch it live.
I have to wait.
Or else they're gonna have to wait.
Share. Can you share live?
I don't know, can you? I don't know. Give us at least 20 views right now. 20 people. And we'll do it live. The first drop down. Or else we're just gonna wait. Put it on YouTube. We get 20 viewers, we put this live. First drop down right now. We don't know how fucking slammed this thing's gonna get.
Or maybe not enough.
Or maybe not even enough. But I think it's gonna be fucking pretty damn slammed. Compared to the coils. Huh? Look at this shit. Mopar coils for sale.
That little bracket. Shout out to the homie Angel for the welds.
Right there it is. He's ready for the 3P. 3P airlift. Are we ready, Gerald?
I've been ready, bro.
Are we ready?
We've been ready.
Huh? What are you doing?
Rip ears.
I'm gonna set it and smash the bolts. The nuts, whatever. What up, Perucha? You got the other one?
Yeah, we're golden.
We still need to get the. Hey, let me lay it on.
Hold on.
Yeah, we're golden. All four on.
Take off the jack.
Ooh, for sure.
The back first. Once it came off first.
Lay down.
With your end. Yeah. put pressure in here so it's on. Leave your hose on.
Oh, you're done, huh?
Take those tires off.
It's going live. It's still live, isn't it?
2 people are watching right now.
2 people? Hold on. How much have joined or what? Oh, hecka, bro. Hecka, dude.
Hell yeah.
What's up, G?
What up, Evo? Evil Jeff, what's good?
Check out this.
Where you guys from? Post where you guys from. Here's you guys' little secret right here. Make things simple. What up, Joe? What up, Jeff?
Hey, what up, fam?
What up, fam? What you guys doing up in here tonight?
Hey, Joe.
From the Lower Valley?
Lower Valley Carpet.
Is that in Cali?
We're ready.
And we're installing airbags on an srt4.
Let's pick it up now.
Las Vegas.
Pick it up now.
This guy's from Las Vegas. Shout out to the Las Vegas, to Jeff, and Clean Evil 10. This thing is bagged. It's gonna get bagged right now. We're gonna measure the height. We're gonna measure the height
Right now?
of this baby right now. We'll do it live. We get 20 viewers right now. Where you guys at? Show them Addictive. We got Team Addictive right here. You already know. Follow our team. Team_Addictive.
Already, that's his addictive, huh?
That's yours. Mine.
Addictive.
Team Addictive right here. Follow Flacco 519.
Simple
That's his
clean.
car right here. He's going back this year. The homie Cobalt saying.
Big moves.
Yep.
Big moves, easy.
Damn, dude. What you do is gonna be fucking nice and tucked in the fucking fender wear. I'm gonna turn it up, fool.
Oh, yeah, right now.
Comment down below, should Flacco 519 get them wheels for this year? Or should he keep these ones? How about more dish? More dish? Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have videos going up there pretty soon. Addict_media.
Check out the bracket.
You got it?
Yeah.
Damn. That's where the brain's gonna go in.
Bring out the knife.
Yeah. Where the viewers at? This is the 3rd weekend working on this car, trying to get it ready. This is a bunch of shit. If you're gonna go airbags, good luck. That shit takes forever. Who wants to see my ride air this year? Hey, my wife's watching this viewer channel right now. My wife's watching this. Tell her if you guys want me to put airbags on my car. Let her know right now down in the comments right now. Now that's not my car. This is my brother's car. Flacco 509. Follow him.
Got the airlift.
You got it right here, this baby right here. Boom, airlift performance.
3P.
The best you could get right now.
Best in the market. Recommend it. $800 by itself.
Get it. Let's get it. What up, SRT Eric? Where you from? Post where you from right now. Give me shout outs. Huh? Who's against bags? Who's against bags? Don't be afraid to answer that. Bags or coils?
Static.
Damn. Why you hating, babe? She's just gonna report my fucking shit.
She did?
Like, everybody, let my wife know if I should get airbags this year. Let's go. Let her know right now. Give me 10 hands up, and I'll buy the airbags right now. Riverside, shout out to Riverside SRTs.
Check it.
SRT fam, Riverside fam. Follow the team. Team_addictive. Check out this beauty right here. That's how it's gonna look. Yeah, that's my boy, Static Accord. Raise them hands up. Give me 10 hands.
Clean.
That shit looks clean as hell. How does this look, guys? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Let us know. Let us know. Thumbs up, thumbs down right now. Damn, that thing's gonna be floating.
It's the attic lab.
Yeah, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Surtees Jones. SRT Eric. Static Accord. Oh, damn. Hell yeah. And we should try this on my car first. And then if Flacco likes it, we'll put it on his car. Or I could just straight buy him right now if you guys give me 10 hands. Who wants to see this shit get dropped right now, dude? Who wants to see that shit?
Well, we need to record it for the other.
Oh, yeah.
Then we gotta pause that. Music? No, that.
Oh, damn.
Really good footage. You ready or what?
You ready? Make sure to follow the boys. Cobalt saying, Flacco 519. What up, Paul? Paul Martinez?
Paul?
Yeah, he's on it. No, Paul Martinez is on here. Yeah, that shit looks clean, man. Are we ready?
Gerald, hurry up.
Are we ready, Gerald?
Right here.
All right, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be back right now.
Subscribe to the channel. You'll see
Subscribe to the channel. Addict_media. We're about to slam this fucking car down right now, and we need to record this shit for the footage, you know? All right, guys. I'll be back in a bit. Team Addictive.
Let's throw it up there right now. Ready?
Hold on.